Imagine a creature, silent, deadly, hiding in the depths of a freshwater lake. This is the sea lamprey, a creature with a fearsome reputation. For centuries, tales have been whispered about this underwater menace. Stories of fish, drained of life, their bodies scarred by a circular wound. The culprit? The sea lamprey, an ancient predator with a taste for blood. But the sea lamprey is no mythical beast, it is a real threat. A danger to fish and a stark reminder of the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Join us as we delve into the world of this fascinating and terrifying creature. We'll uncover the secrets of its life cycle, its impact on our lakes, and the efforts being made to control its spread. The sea lamprey is a creature that seems taken straight from a horror film. With its eerie, serpentine movements and unsettling appearance, it's no wonder this creature has inspired fear and fascination alike. Its elongated eel-like body, gray and slimy, can grow up to 2 feet long. This body allows it to navigate through the water with an almost ghostly grace, slipping through the shadows of the underwater world. But its most frightening feature is undoubtedly its mouth. This is where the true horror of the sea lamprey lies. Instead of a jaw, the sea lamprey possesses a circular sucker mouth. This unique adaptation allows it to attach firmly to its prey, creating a seal that is nearly impossible to break. Rows of sharp, rasping teeth line this orifice, ready to latch onto unsuspecting prey. These teeth are not just for show, they are designed to scrape and bore into the flesh of other fish, making the sea lamprey a formidable predator. Its tongue, too, is armed with a razor-sharp tooth, adding to its arsenal of dental weaponry. This tongue acts like a drill, boring into the host to feed on its blood and bodily fluids. Imagine encountering this creature in the murky depths. The water around you is dark and foreboding, and suddenly, you see the sea lamprey's silhouette gliding towards you, its cold, lifeless eyes staring. These eyes, devoid of emotion, seem to pierce through the water, locking onto its next target, its sucker mouth opening and closing, a gaping maw of teeth. This motion is both mesmerizing and terrifying, a reminder of the relentless nature of this predator. It's a sight that would send shivers down your spine. The sea lamprey's presence in the water is a stark reminder of the hidden dangers that lurk beneath the surface. But the sea lamprey's fearsome appearance is simply a reflection of its lifestyle. It is a creature that has evolved to survive in a harsh and competitive environment. It is a creature perfectly adapted for its role as a parasitic predator. Every aspect of its anatomy and behavior is geared towards one goal: survival. And in the underwater world, the sea lamprey is a master of its craft. Sea lampreys are found in both sides of the Atlantic Ocean. These ancient, jawless fish have been around for millions of years, adapting and evolving to survive in various aquatic environments. They are a fascinating yet terrifying example of nature's ingenuity, but they are most notorious in the Great Lakes of North America. Introduced through shipping canals in the early 20th century, they have since become a significant ecological threat. Their presence has drastically altered the balance of the Great Lakes ecosystem. These freshwater giants provide the perfect environment for the sea lamprey to thrive. The abundance of fish and the vast cold waters create an ideal habitat for these parasitic predators. They have few natural enemies here, allowing their population to grow unchecked. They prefer the cold, deep waters of lakes, often lurking near the bottom, hidden amongst rocks and sediment. This concealment not only protects them from potential threats but also positions them perfectly to ambush unsuspecting prey. Here they lie in wait, their bodies swaying slightly with the current, ready to ambush their prey. Their stealth and patience are key to their hunting strategy, allowing them to strike with precision and efficiency. These are not creatures of the open water. They thrive in the shadows, using the lake's natural features to their advantage. Their ability to blend into their surroundings makes them formidable hunters. They are ambush predators, relying on stealth and surprise to catch their victims. Their elongated, eel-like bodies allow them to move with a serpentine grace, making them difficult to detect until it's too late, and once they strike, they are relentless. Their attack is swift and brutal, leaving little chance for their prey to escape. The sea lamprey's efficiency as a predator is a testament to its evolutionary success. Their sucker mouths latch onto the sides of fish, their teeth tearing through flesh and scales. This unique feeding mechanism allows them to drain their prey of vital fluids, weakening and often killing the fish. The sea lamprey then feeds on the blood and bodily fluids of its unfortunate victim. This parasitic relationship is devastating for the fish population, as it not only kills individual fish, but also disrupts the broader ecosystem. The presence of sea lampreys in the Great Lakes is a stark reminder of the delicate balance within aquatic environments and the far-reaching impacts of invasive species. The sea lamprey is a parasite. This means it relies on another living organism, a host, for its survival. Unlike other fish that hunt or forage for food, the sea lamprey has evolved to latch onto other fish and feed off their blood and bodily fluids. And in the case of the sea lamprey, its method of feeding can be gruesome. The process begins when the lamprey attaches itself to a fish, using its suction cup-like mouth. Once attached to a fish, the sea lamprey uses its sharp teeth and rasping tongue to create a wound. This wound is not just a simple bite, it's a carefully crafted opening that allows the lamprey to access the fish's blood vessels. It then injects a substance into the wound that prevents the fish's blood from clotting. This anticoagulant ensures a steady flow of blood, making it easier for the lamprey to feed. This allows the sea lamprey to feed for hours, even days, on its host. During this time, the fish is slowly drained of its vital fluids, weakening it significantly. It drains the fish of vital fluids, often leaving it weak and vulnerable to other predators. The weakened state of the fish makes it an easy target for other aquatic predators, further reducing its chances of survival. In many cases, the fish doesn't survive the attack. The prolonged feeding and the loss of blood and bodily fluids can be fatal, leading to the death of the host fish. The sea lamprey's feeding habits have a devastating impact on fish populations. Their parasitic nature means that they can affect large numbers of fish, leading to significant declines in fish populations in affected areas. In the Great Lakes, they have been responsible for the decline of several species, including lake trout. The introduction of sea lampreys to these waters has had a profound impact on the ecosystem, whitefish, and chub. These species have seen their numbers dwindle due to the relentless feeding of sea lampreys, highlighting the significant ecological threat posed by this invasive parasite. Section 5. Danger to humans? With their terrifying appearance and parasitic nature, it's only natural to wonder, are sea lampreys dangerous to humans? The answer, thankfully, is not really. While sea lampreys will attach to humans in rare cases, their teeth are not designed to pierce human skin. They are more likely to latch onto a swimmer's leg or arm, causing a startle more than an injury. Their bite might feel like a strong suction, and their teeth might cause some minor abrasion, but it's not considered dangerous. A quick shake is usually enough to dislodge them. So, while you should certainly treat sea lampreys with caution, you don't need to be terrified of them. They are far more of a threat to fish populations than they are to humans. The sea lamprey's impact extends far beyond the individual fish it preys upon. Their presence can have a devastating effect on entire ecosystems. As their numbers grow, they can decimate populations of native fish. This disrupts the delicate balance of the food web. With fewer prey fish available, predators like birds and larger fish also suffer. The economic consequences are significant as well. The fishing industry, a vital part of many communities around the Great Lakes, has been severely affected by the decline in fish stocks. The sea lamprey serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of life within an ecosystem. The introduction of a single species, even unintentionally, can have far-reaching and devastating consequences. The fight against the sea lamprey is a battle for the future of our lakes, and it's a battle being fought on multiple fronts. One of the most effective methods is the use of lampricides. These are chemicals specifically designed to target sea lamprey larvae in their spawning streams. While controversial, lampricides have played a crucial role in controlling lamprey populations. Another approach is the use of barriers and traps. These physical structures prevent lampreys from reaching their spawning grounds, effectively reducing their numbers over time. Research is also underway to develop new and innovative control methods. This includes exploring the use of pheromones, natural chemicals that could be used to disrupt lamprey behavior. While sea lampreys pose minimal threat to humans, it's always wise to exercise caution when swimming in waters where they are known to inhabit. Be mindful of your surroundings. Avoid swimming in areas where lampreys are known to congregate, such as near spawning streams or areas with high fish populations. If you do encounter a sea lamprey, don't panic. They are unlikely to attach to you, and even if they do, they can be easily removed. A quick shake or brush of the hand should be sufficient. Remember, the best way to stay safe is to be aware of your surroundings and to treat all wildlife with respect. The sea lamprey is a creature that evokes both fascination and fear. It is a reminder of the power of nature and the delicate balance of our ecosystems. While the fight against the sea lamprey is far from over, there is hope. Through continued research, innovative control methods, and public awareness, we can strive to protect our lakes and restore their natural balance. The future of our lakes depends on our understanding and respect for all creatures, even those as unusual and, dare we say, frightening as the sea lamprey.